you what's my favorite. My favorite is flamingo and
First favorite is
gallus.
My first favorite penguin. My first favorite is penguin.
My favorite is duck and
Penguins are so
and penguins
Nothing is cuter than a penguin.
and a dolphin and swans and ducks. That's my favorite.
I like flamingos.
What color is a
Which
is a swan again? What color?
There's a black, there's a white.
Look, there's black and white. Is that perfect? Is that a perfect color?
Okay.
Look, why the head is orange?
That's seagulls.
Why the head are orange? That one, the black one.
I don't know.
Oh, they have tails. Are the white more cuter than the black?
Maybe.
Because I think they're more cuter. Also, oh, there's one sitting down on me. That's what make it so cute.
Your sister is there now.
You can see the bottom of
Look at the dog. They're so cute.
You can see the butt again.
You can see that. Wait, why there's a bowl there? Maybe the duck will play with the bowls.
No, it's four.
It's just a still thing. It's in the middle.
You can't see what in case they want to go next to you.
Oh, maybe they can go around over there.